The objective of the liftgate assembly welding station is to weld the inner and outer components of the liftgate. The equipment used during this process is the rotating work table and racks. The tool used during this process is a welding gun. The material used during this process is the liftgate, which weighs 35 pounds. This photo depicts the liftgate assembly welding station and the dimensions of the workplace. Considering the worker height is about 5 feet 6 inches or 66 inches tall, this affects how the employees interact with the product and equipment throughout the day. The process for the liftgate assembly welding station is to retrieve the liftgate and carry and position it on the work table. Then, the welding gun is retrieved and used to weld the inner and outer liftgate together. Lastly, the welded gate is carried and positioned on the liftgate rack. And then the process repeats. It was noticed that awkward postures and forceful exertions were observed from the employees to interact with the workspace. Forceful exertions are required to carry and position the liftgate. Forceful exertions, forward bending of the neck, extreme forward and sideways bending of the torso, and extended and elevated arms are required to position and activate the welding gun. To summarize this process, the liftgate assembly welding station is a medium to high-paced job requiring forceful exertions to lift and carry the liftgate and to position and activate the welding gun. In addition, awkward postures of the neck, torso, and arms were seen, and localized contact stress between the hand and fingers and edges of the liftgate were observed as well. The following recommendations are made for the liftgate assembly welding station tasks. Investigate height adjustable and tilt weld guns and work tables that decrease or eliminate awkward postures. Consider job rotation plans that provide rotation during the workday to decrease posture stress. Ideally, the jobs within the rotation pattern should have considerably less awkward postures than this position. Thank you.